Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Poonam Rudingwa, Consultant Obs Gynae at Motherhood Chaitanya Hospital. Today I will be discussing regarding hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a common condition affecting around 11% of the pregnant women. What is hypothyroidism? It is a condition in which the TSH levels are raised, and we have to know that when we have to investigate and for the hypothyroidism. Whenever a pregnant lady comes to us with a positive pregnancy test, we should get her TSH level, TPO antibody and free T4 level test to diagnose hypothyroidism. The target levels of TSH levels in first trimester are 2.5, in second trimester it is 3, and in third trimester again it is 3. What are the causes of hypothyroidism? Most common cause is iodine deficiency. Second is autoimmune thyroiditis, that is Hashimoto thyroiditis. Third or fourth, you can say some thyroid surgeries, some neck surgery, radiation to neck. All these conditions can cause hypothyroidism. Risk factors are if a female has family history of hypothyroidism. There are other autoimmune conditions like type 1 diabetes mellitus. What are the symptoms of hypothyroidism? Symptoms include weight gain, lethargy, constipation, cold intolerance. These are the symptoms which women should note and should consult a doctor to get a TSH done test if she is planning a pregnancy. What are the tests that has to be done to diagnose hypothyroidism are free T4 level, TSH and TPO antibody. Why do we need to treat hypothyroidism? Because of the risk which is associated for the mother and for the baby. The risks for the mother are risk of abortion, preterm delivery, abruptio placentae, antepartum hemorrhage, postpartum hemorrhage. The risks for the babies are respiratory distress, preterm birth, low birth weight, and neurocognitive disorders, that is low IQ. What is the drug of choice for hypothyroidism? The drug of choice is levothyroxine. It is totally safe and the gold standard for therapy. Once a pregnant comes to us and is a known case of hypothyroidism, on her first visit only, we can straight away increase the dose that she is already taking by around 30 to 50%. Otherwise, on the first visit, we have to advise any lady about the test of TSH, TPO antibody and free T4, depending which the results of the TSH values, we can advise her the treatment. Once on treatment during pregnancy, TSH level is to be repeated every 4 to 6 weeks to attain the target value of the TSH. Thank you.